Raphael, look. You want to feed the llama? Nice. Shall we go see the sheep now, guys? The donkey? Yeah, they love it. Nice. Raphael, you want to give them some grass? Okay? Pick some grass and come feed the llamas. Oh, some more grass. Here you go. Okay, feed it. Yummy! Good job, Raphael! That's beautiful. Here you go. Here you go. They love this treat. So yummy for them. Give them more. No, that's good. Give it to the brown llama. Are you giving like that? Look how. Look how they're eating. See? See, Mama? Here you go. Feed them. Raphael, come feed them here, Raph.
Mom, can you give me some?
Okay.
Mom, give me this one. Not this one.
Here you go. Feed them. Okay, hold it for them. Hello. Hello. You want to eat? See how the llama's eating? Christian feeding the llama, giving green grass. She loves it. Can you give her some more? That's nice. You want to give her some more, Mama? She doesn't want to eat? Let's try. The brown one loves the green grass, see? She loves it. She's hungry. Yeah, maybe she's not hungry, Mama. Maybe she's not hungry at all. Raphael, you want to feed the llamas? No? Let's give them some more. More green grass. Here you go. Nice. Yes, Mama. Okay. Look how she's eating. Yeah. Oh, she's eating. She's eating. See, Raphael, how the goat is eating.
Let my brother have a turn.
You want to have a turn, Raphael? Okay, be careful. Feed it. Feed the goat. Oh, she doesn't want anymore.
Hold that, Raphael.
Good boy. You can hold the cup, Christian, if you like. Pat him. Yeah, just hold the cup. Oh, he's hungry. He's hungry. Yeah, good job.
Oh, well done.
This one is so hungry. I give her some more.
I want to get.
Here you go. Feed her. Here you go. Come. 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 Here you go. She took everything from my hand, see? Yeah, that's nice. Here you go. Okay. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. You like the hands, Raphael? Yes.